Hello, my name is Anton Novikov. I'm working as financial analyst at Financial Markets Consulting, and today I'm going to represent you the company Merck. But first of all, I'd like to start from overviewing the current situation in the financial markets around the world. So currently we are in the situation when the Great Britain decided to leave the European zone. So by the referendum which they conducted on the 23rd of June. So due to this decision, all the financial markets are in the state of turbulence. And most of them are going up and down, but mostly down, especially the Eurozone markets. But the US markets, the markets of the USA, are actually decreasing only by 5%. They decreased by 5%, but now they almost got back to the level where they had been before the referendum in the UK. So now we are considering that all got back to the normal state in the USA. Of course, there is a small impact made by the UK, but we are considering that mostly the economic situation in the EU, in the USA, helps us to think that the fund market of USA is going up. So the stocks traded on the NASDAQ are going up, and almost all of our projections are supported by their economic news coming from the EU, where their manufacturing sector, the service sector, the inflation are going up and support these words which I said earlier. And the USA also support the words announced because their amount of spendings done by the US citizens increasing by almost 0.4%, their income which the US citizens earn increasing. So all of these factors give us a sense of feeling that economy of the USA is growing, and these factors support the stock market of the United States higher, to go higher and increase the prices of the US stocks companies. So let's get back to the Merck company. The Merck company is a company which is specializing in producing drugs, pharmaceutical products, and it is a very well-known company around the world. The current price at which the stocks of the Merck company is been traded is $57 per share. Their prospective growth of the shares of Merck company is still 63 till $70 per share. Probably you may consider selling their shares of Merck company at the price of $65 per share. So why we consider buying the stocks of Merck company right now? Due to the next positive news, and the first one is which one is very important, and what it would move higher and higher the prices of the shares of Merck, is the next drug which was introduced to the market is Keytruda. This drug is healing from very serious oncology like melanoma, and this cancer would be treated by this drug, and the forecasted numbers of income which the Merck company is intended to earn is equal to $31 billion. The company will have earned $31 billion by 2020. So it's a really big number. This number gives us a sense of feeling that the company is financially stable and it stays firmly on the ground, and only by selling the one drug, Keytruda, the company would earn $31 billion. It's really amazing, this company, by selling only one drug. And another news which would expand our feeling of stability and financial prosperity is that Merck&Co has acquired another company, a foreign pharmaceutical. The Merck&Co spent almost $1.25 billion. The company pharmaceutical is specializing in producing the drugs against neurogenic disorders. So by buying the company pharmaceuticals, Merck expanding the amount of products it would sell, thus diversifying the risks of decreasing the sales. And anyway, if one drug would be sold with less amount of sales, then another drug would have the highest sales, and thus it would cover the difference and make their financial position of Merck&Co more stable and firm. It's another plus to their company of Merck. And the next news which would support the above statements and news is that the company declared their increase of earnings by 18%. The net income of company for the first quarter of 2016 increased by 18% and is equal to $1.13 billion. All of these, and especially the last one, support the statements that the company is really standing firmly on the ground, has the potential of growth due to the increase of number of products which will be sold to the potential customers, introducing the really important product to the market like Keytruda against the cancer, which is really important, and it would definitely be bought by the customers around the world. And get back to the past, and the past tell us that the company is really stable, and 2016 is really good year for the company as the sales increasing and the net income is increasing as well. So all of this news gives us the really good sense of feeling that the company is stable, firm, and has a good future, the prosperous future. That's what the investors need to hear. We have the future, the prosperous future, which would give us their money back, which we invest in their company. And when we buy at the price of 57, we may consider selling at 63.70, thus earning almost $13 per share of income, return on investment. So the time horizon which you may consider to hold their stock in your portfolio is about 3-6 months, probably earlier, because the conditions of the market always changing, and the price may go up and higher earlier than we forecast. So that's all for now. My name is Anton Novikov. That's all for now. Thank you very much for your time. Goodbye.